materials needed for this experiment include 1 egg, white vinegar, a container, gloves, safety glasses, a marker, and an adult to help.
The bouncing egg experiment is a really fun and easy way to impress your family and friends. Before you begin, make sure to label your container. I like to add what's in the container, in this case vinegar and an egg, the date of the experiment, as well as the time that the experiment is running, since it's running for 24 hours. After you label your container, all you do is pour the vinegar over your egg until it's covered. Cover your container for the smell, and let it sit for about 24 hours, rotating periodically. As your egg sits in vinegar, what observations do you notice? Write them down. Pay attention to the bubbles. We'll explain where they come from later. When it's done, pull your egg out, rinse it off lightly under water, and enjoy your bouncy egg outside. Just as a caution, make sure you don't drop it from too high or squeeze it too hard or the membrane will pop. Now let's take a look at what's going on behind the scenes. So, while our egg is sitting in vinegar, what's actually happening? Eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, or CaCO3, a chemical compound found often in marine animals, rocks, and snail shells. The calcium is what makes the eggshell hard to protect the embryo, or baby chick, inside. Vinegar is an acid. This is because it contains a compound called acetic acid, or CH3COOH. When the acid comes into contact with the calcium carbonate, a salt, the eggshell will start to dissolve or break down. Now, when I say salt, I don't mean something that you put on your dinner to add flavor, although table salt, sodium chloride, is a salt also. I mean a compound made with one substance with a positive charge, called a cation, and one substance with a negative charge, called an anion. In this case, the calcium has the positive charge and the carbonate has the negative charge. When dropped in vinegar, the calcium carbonate reacts with the acetic acid to create calcium acetate, CaCH3COO2, water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. The carbon dioxide makes the bubbles you see on the outside of the egg during the experiment. Was this one of your observations? When this happens, calcium and carbonate break apart, causing the eggshell to disappear. Now, all you're left with is the flexible membrane on the inside of the egg that protected the albumin, or egg protein, from the vinegar. The best part is, now your egg is bouncy!